Urgent Astro Alert. Sun Sextile Saturn. May 20th, 2025. Get ready, because tomorrow, May 20th, the Sun in Gemini forms a powerful sextile with Saturn in Pisces. And this isn't just another day in the cosmos. This rare alignment blends clarity, discipline, and long-term vision, creating the perfect storm for grounding your goals and making serious progress, if you know how to use it. In this video/article, we'll cover the 8 essential things you need to know to make the most of this high-vibe energy. Whether you're launching a new project, making a commitment, or realigning your life path. Structured energy, long-term rewards, cosmic green light. Let's dive into why May 20th, 2025 could be one of the most productive and powerful days of your year. Sun Sextile Saturn, 8 power moves to make on May 20th. One of the most focused, productive energies of the year is here. Don't waste it. On May 20th, 2025, the Sun in Gemini forms a harmonious sextile to Saturn in Pisces. This transit gives us the rare ability to combine mental clarity, Sun, with structure and maturity, Saturn. It's not flashy, it's effective. If you want to make real progress on your goals, this is your moment. Here are 8 power moves you should make while this cosmic window is open. Make a long-term commitment. Sign the contract. Commit to the course. Lock in your goals. Saturn rewards seriousness, and this energy supports anything that's built to last. Set clear mental boundaries. With the Sun in Gemini, thoughts can be scattered, but Saturn gives you the discipline to stay focused. Eliminate distractions. Say no to time wasters. Protect your energy. Plan out the next 90 days. This is an ideal time to map out a 3-month strategy. Whether it's for business, health, or personal growth, Saturn supports structured planning and long-term vision. Handle business or career tasks you've been avoiding. Sun-Saturn energy is perfect for tackling the hard stuff. Paperwork, financial planning, legal matters, job applications. What you handle today can create real momentum. Create a discipline ritual. Want to start meditating, working out, journaling? Begin today. Saturn helps you build habits, especially those rooted in inner growth and consistency. Have that mature conversation. If there's a serious talk you've been avoiding, whether with a partner, boss, or friend, this transit gives you the grounding and clarity to handle it like a pro. Write or edit something important. Gemini rules communication. If you're working on a resume, pitch, essay, proposal, or even a tough email, the Sun-Saturn sextile boosts your ability to be clear, concise, and effective. Invest in your future self. Saturn governs time and wisdom. Use this energy to invest in something that pays off later. A course, a savings plan, a skill. Your future self will thank you. This is one of those days where the universe rewards responsibility, focus, and maturity. If you use it wisely, May 20th could be a major turning point. Not because of luck, but because you showed up and did the work. Remember, Saturn doesn't promise overnight success. It promises lasting results if you're consistent. Start now. Tomorrow, Sun Sextile Saturn. What it means for your zodiac sign, May 20th, 2025. A major day for maturity, focus, and progress. On Tuesday, May 20th, the Sun in Curious Gemini forms a powerful sextile with Saturn in wise, intuitive Pisces. This alignment blends mental clarity, Sun, with structure, wisdom, and discipline in Saturn, creating a rare window to level up responsibly. But how does this affect you personally? Here's what each zodiac sign can expect, and how to use the energy wisely. Aries, step up as a leader behind the scenes. You're being asked to take responsibility for something quiet but important. Reflect, recharge, and make decisions from a place of wisdom, not impulse. Trust your instincts. Taurus, your network, your net worth. It's time to invest in long-term relationships and collaborations. Align with people who support your growth, especially in business or mentorship roles. Gemini, you're in the spotlight. Own it with the Sun in your sign and Saturn lighting up your career zone. This is a big moment to prove your reliability. Lead with confidence and structure. Cancer. Make a commitment to growth. This is about long-term learning. Sign up for the course. Commit to the journey. Saturn says, knowledge and belief systems built now will last. Leo. Handle money, debt, or emotional baggage. It's time to get serious about what you owe, financially or emotionally. Address it, set boundaries, and free yourself up to evolve. Virgo. Time to take a relationship seriously. Whether it's love or business, Saturn says, define the relationship. If it's worth your time, commit. If not, walk away with grace. Libra. Organize your daily life. Saturn in your work plus health sector means it's the perfect day to implement a sustainable routine. Think systems, not stress. Scorpio. Make time for real creativity. This isn't fluffy inspiration. It's about building something artistic or romantic that has real value. Commit to your creative or love life with depth. Sagittarius. Home plus family is focus zones. Saturn's stabilizing your roots. Use this day to make serious decisions about where you live, who you live with, or how you create emotional security. Capricorn. Use your voice with precision. Your communication is powerful right now. Perfect day to sign documents, finalize negotiations, or deliver a serious message with maturity. Aquarius. Build a stronger foundation of self-worth. You're restructuring your values. Get clear on what you're worth and back it up with decisions that align with your long-term financial or emotional goals. Pisces. Saturn's in your sign. Take the lead. You are being cosmically initiated. This is a moment to show the world your strength, even if it feels like quiet leadership. Trust yourself. This isn't flashy energy. It's foundational. Make grounded choices. Say yes to real commitments, and let Saturn reward your efforts over time. May 20th is a day to be mature, intentional, and brave. May 20th, 2025. Why this Sun-Saturn alignment is a manifestation portal. A cosmic green light for long-term intentions, stability, and soul-aligned success. On May 20th, 2025, the Sun in Gemini forms a harmonious sextile to Saturn in Pisces. And while it might not sound dramatic, this is one of the most powerful days of the year for real, grounded manifestation. Why? Because this alignment creates a rare balance between vision and structure, imagination and discipline, and spiritual purpose and practical execution. This is the kind of astrology that doesn't just whisper, it anchors. Here's why this is a true manifestation portal, and how to work with it. The Sun equals clarity of will. The Sun represents identity, purpose, and conscious creation. When it's strong in Gemini, you gain mental sharpness and the ability to express intentions clearly. Manifestation starts with awareness, and the Sun brings light to what you want most. Saturn, divine timing and earthly mastery. Saturn is the planet of structure, karma, and results. In Pisces, it asks you to align dreams with reality, not just wish, but build. Sextiles are flowing aspects, meaning Saturn supports you now in creating long-term success, not fleeting moments. Gemini plus Pisces, mind plus spirit, Gemini, rules the intellect, Pisces the soul. Together, this combo says, use your mind to serve your higher vision. It's a moment to merge logic with intuition and create goals that reflect both your practical needs and your spiritual truth. Rooted growth versus flashy goals. Unlike flashy new moon rituals or emotional full moons, this energy is slow magic. Think, planting something that lasts, making a decision that shifts your timeline, writing or speaking an intention you're truly ready to commit to. This is Saturn-approved manifestation. No shortcuts, no illusions, only the real thing. Manifestation keys for May 20th. Write down one clear, realistic intention. Anchor it with a 3-step plan. Saturn loves structure. Do one small symbolic action. Send the email, buy the domain, make the call, clean the space. Trust the timeline. Saturn delivers slowly, but permanently. May 20th isn't about instant gratification. It's about energetic integrity and cosmic support. If you've been looking for a day to make a serious energetic shift, start a long-term project, or lock in a new way of living. This is it. The portal is open. The energy is grounded. The universe is watching and ready to match your effort. Warning: don't waste the Sun-Saturn energy tomorrow. Here's why. May 20th, 2025 is not your average Tuesday. A powerful and underrated cosmic alignment is unfolding. Sun sextile Saturn. And it's the kind of energy that can change your year if you use it, or leave you stuck if you sleep on it. This isn't drama, it's discipline. And if you want real progress, this is your cosmic appointment. Here's exactly why you should take this seriously. The universe is offering you direction. Are you listening? The Sun in Gemini is giving you clarity of mind. Saturn in Pisces is offering structure and long-term vision. Together they say, it's time to commit to the path that actually leads somewhere. If you've been waiting for a sign to start, decide, or organize your life, this is it. This energy locks in what you begin. Sun sextile Saturn creates long-lasting effects. Start something tomorrow, a habit, a conversation, a business plan, and it has the power to stick. Saturn doesn't play, it builds legacies. What you ignore might pass you by. Avoidance will backfire. Procrastinate now, and you may feel blocked, frustrated, or overwhelmed later. Saturn energy demands maturity. If you know there's something you should handle, handle it. Clean up the loose ends. This is practical magic. This isn't about vision boards or manifestation candles, although those are great, just not today. This is about making the call, writing the plan, structuring your week, choosing what actually serves your future. Real-world action equal cosmic reward. You don't get this combo often. Sun sextile Saturn doesn't happen every day, and when it does, it brings rare alignment between motivation and maturity. Miss it, and you may find yourself spinning your wheels until the next wave of focused energy rolls around. If you only take one action this week, let it be tomorrow. The energy is grounded, supportive, and full of quiet power. You don't have to move mountains. You just have to start pushing in the right direction. May 20th, 2025, you show up, commit, build. No drama, no excuses, just results.